I have here a cocktail table. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the box. I'm going to show how to assemble it and install it and how it works. I got the table out of the box. It came with some instructions. There's also some legs that are zip tied together, so I'll have to remove those, and then I'm going to show you how to assemble this table. So this is fairly simple to assemble and install. So to open the legs, you're going to grab these outside two legs here like this and pull it so that they start to open. Then you just take this middle piece and push until it locks in place. Then all you have to do is take these two legs here and slip them down in. Like this. And then you can flip the table over and it's ready to use. The top of this table is made of an HDPE material, so it's going to be nice and durable and also really easy to clean. So to fold this down for storage, it's really simple. First thing you're going to do is flip it over so you can get to these legs. Then you're going to want to detach these legs here. Just pushing the two buttons as you pull them off, just like that. After you've got the two legs off, all you have to do is pull on this ring right here. Just pull on it and then push this down, and the whole thing collapses down just like that. And then these can sit with it for nice, easy, convenient storage. This cocktail table is really nice. It's super lightweight, so it's easy to move if you need to move it around. It folds down for easy, convenient storage. Plus the top is a high quality, durable material, so it's going to stay durable while maintaining an ease of cleaning. I'd highly recommend this for anybody that wants a cocktail table. This is a really nice one.